Morning students, so we are today on the question number 11.14. The question number 11.14 we are, okay. Now you see in the 11.14 question what they are asking to you. They are saying give the two reactions that show the acidic nature of the phenol and compare its acidity with the ethanol. But whenever there is a discussion of acidic nature. Acidic nature means release of H positive ion, means cleavage of OH bond. Okay, might be you are knowing very well, we have done in the chemical properties of the phenol the reaction with the metals or metal hydroxide. So see how we can show it. Suppose this is the phenol I am writing there. Okay, now its reaction with the sodium. When its reaction will be with the sodium, then what is going to happening over there? Then bond will cleave from there. So it is going to make there sodium phenoxide, means ONA plus 1 by 2 H2. It's clear? Same way, two reactions they are asking. We can give this reaction of phenol with the NaOH. With the NaOH, I think you know very well what is going to be we are going to make from there. I think OH really sorry, just wait for a minute. हमने क्या करना है? We have to cleave the H bond, so that is why H from there, OH from there. Water has been removed, and what is left over there? Again, sodium phenoxide. What is left over there? Sodium phenoxide plus water. Okay, and just remember one thing. Now they are asking you the acidic nature of phenol and the ethanol, which is more acidic. Student, I think I told you in the previous parts also that phenol is more acidic. Phenol is more acidic than that of ethanol. I think the reason you know very well. After the resonance means phenol is having a resonance. After the resonance or after the releasing of H positive ion, it is forming the phenoxide ion, and this phenoxide ion is more resonance stabilized than the resonating structure of the phenol. Clear? But in the ethanol there is no such resonance is here. Okay, and this alkyl group is acting as an electron releasing group. So release of H positive will be difficult. Is that clear? All the structures and the explanation already we have done. Now, after that, we are having a question number 15. Which question? Question number 15. In the 15th question, they are asking, explain why is the orthonitrophenol is more acidic than the orthomethoxyphenol. What they are asking? Orthonitrophenol. I am writing there, just see. Orthonitrophenol. This is the phenol. Ab ortho पे कह रहा है. NO2 is that ortho. Then after that orthomethoxyphenol. Ortho. This is a then OCH3. What is it? OCH3. Now they are saying orthonitrophenol is more acidic. Okay, student, if I want to give you the explanation within one word or within one line, I will tell you, NO2 is well known as -I group, and OCH3 is always showing +I or +R effect. Means this is electron withdrawing group, and this is electron releasing group. And I told you, whenever electron withdrawing group is attached with the phenol, its acidic character is always increases. Okay, and whenever electron releasing is there with the phenol, then its acidic character is always decreases. Is that clear? I understood my point, what I want to say you over there. Okay, now you see its proper explanation. Usually what they are saying that that in the NO2 there is minus R also and minus I also, both effect is there. Okay, minus R also and minus I effect is also there. Means when we are making this one, see all of you, just wait. Beta, this is the phenol and NO2 group is there. It is also a resonance stabilized. What is it, beta? It is a resonance stabilized. Secondly, and when it is removing one hydrogen, then what we are getting over there? After the removal of hydrogen, we are getting O negative and NO2. I think you know very well O negative and NO2 is what? O negative is a phenoxide anion. What is it? It is a phenoxide anion, and phenoxide anion is also a resonance stabilized. Is also a resonance stabilized. And see, all of you clear now. But when we are talking about the methoxy group, what we are talking about? Methoxy group. In the methoxy group, what is happening there? The methoxy group, OCH3 group, OCH3 group is usually showing plus R effect. What it is showing? Is usually showing plus R effect. I will show you कैसे बेटा, देखो इधर please. See, this is the, I am making the phenol over there. Okay, phenol, and then OCH3. There is a pair of electrons. Now, one thing we should have to know very well, that this phenol is acting as an electron releasing group. Means it's like that, electron releasing group. Clear? So when it is acting as an electron releasing group, then what is going to happening over there? You must see, all of you, there will be the OH will remain like that only. Then there is a bond, then there is a bond, double bond, OCH3, and above it there is a positive sign. Like this way we can make the resonating structure further. Clear? Now, means some other resonating structures are also possible. So when we are removing the H positive ion, H positive ion, then what is going to happening over there? You must see, all of you, after this structure, when we are going to remove the H positive ion from there, okay, from the phenol, in case of methoxy, you must see, all of you, what is going to happening over there. This is there, then this is again O negative. Okay, मीन्स कैसे किया बेटा हमने? O नेगेटिव क्यों आया यहाँ पर? बिकॉज वी हैव रिमूव द H पॉजिटिव आयन. It will become like that only, OCH3. Now we are going to make its resonating structure. Okay, we are going to make its resonating structure. So when we are going to make its resonating structure, then we know very well this is the electron releasing group. This pair will come over here. Yes or no? अगर ये वाला पेयर जहाँ जाएगा, then this pair will go over there. That is why what is going to happening over there in this case? Okay, this is there, then this is there, then it becomes again double bond O CH3, and there will be the positive charge as we have made in the previous case, and here it is negative charge. What will come there, beta? There will be the negative charge. On this carbon there is a negative charge. Like that way we can make some other structures. So what we have seen there now, there is a negative charge and one negative charge is there on the oxygen also. Means in this case there are how many negative charge? Two negative charges are there which will repel each other, and due to their repulsion orthomethoxyphenol will become destabilized. Okay, this negative charge and this negative charge will be repelled, and due to these two negative charge will repel each other, and due to their repulsion orthomethanoxide ion will be destabilized. That is why orthonitrophenol is more acidic than the orthomethoxyphenol. I hope you are getting my point. Is that clear to you to all? Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video.